Hey there, Facebook users. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to find posts in a specific year on your account in Facebook using your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook and log into your account. Step 2. Click on your profile photo icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Next, click on your name to open your profile. Step 4. Look for the label, Posts, and click on Filters next to it. Step 5. Next to Go To, click on the drop-down menu that says Year. Step 6. Select your desired year. Step 7. You can also specify the month and date if needed. Step 8. Click on Done when finished. That's it. You have successfully found posts in a specific year on your account. Relive memories and moments from a particular time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Facebook tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.